Well, welcome back, everyone. It was quite the day in the markets today. We did have the market roll into that green zone on the Champion Trend Pack Toolkit, the Champion Cross Indicator, and perforated, testing the top of the MSR channel. We're still in a buy signal state on a daily chart. However, on a 4-hour chart, we have flipped down into a sell signal state. And of course, this is exacerbated on a 1-hour chart. Now, the two charts on the very right-hand side are more about the day trade. If we're looking at the open tomorrow, we're really looking at the 1-hour, 4-hour, and daily chart. Support at 5,800, key 5780, 5740 to 5730 on the ES become the most important crucibles for whether the buyers that became holders and did not buy anymore are truly turning into sellers. A breakdown below that 5740 to 5730 area opens the floodgates. And what I can share with you right now, using the Champion Trend Pack Toolkit, on a 4-hour chart, we moved into what's called Stage 1. Stage 1 involves Champion Trend and Champion Cross. Stage 2 would involve a wealth signal or a range breaker. And Stage 3 would involve things like these breakout forecasters. So we are early in the sell signal state on a 4-hour chart, which implies what? A continuation down that can be disrupted by a counter trend bounce, a move that takes us up above 58.60 to 58.75, changes the game and keeps us up in the air for a while. Not something that's uncommon in markets like these, folks. We've got a treat for you tomorrow, and it is going to be something that you can take advantage of in markets just like these. We're going to have Dr. Keith coming up tomorrow, sharing his Heikinashi strategies to help those of you that are getting your prop trading account evaluations successfully set up and completed. This is a do not miss session. Simply go to becomebettertrader.com/yes and join Dr. Keith Wade tomorrow, Thursday, October the 24th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. It is coming up fast and feverishly. Do not miss it, especially for those of you that want to use all of the amazing strategies and tools available on Wealth Charts, of course, and the incredible knowledge from Dr. Keith Wade, put together to get you where you need to go with your prop trading accounts. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Bye for now.